Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss Ajanta Pharma Limited Quarter 3 Financial 21 consolidated results. We are going to discuss year on year and quarter on quarter. We'll give more importance for year on year. Year on year means we'll compare December 20 results with December 19 results. Quarter on quarter means we'll compare December 20 results with September 20 results. Here we have revenue from operations. We'll compare year on year first. Here in December 19, Ajanta Pharma got 651 crores as revenue. In December 20, 748 crores. That means it was increased from 651 crores to 748 crores, approximately 98 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 14.9 percentage year on year revenue was increased. Now we'll check expenses. First one is cost of material consumed. Previous year 138 crores, this year 192 crores. Here revenue from operations increased, so cost of material consumed also increased. Later purchase of stock in trade, previous year 24 crores, this year 26. Change in inventories, previous year 6.6 crores spent, this year 49 crores credited. Later employee benefit expenses, previous year 120 crores, this year 136 crores. That means 16 crores employee benefit expenses was increased. Later finance cost, previous year 1 crore, this year 2 crores. Here interest was increased, but here totally they paid 2 crores interest. That means they have minimal debt. This is a positive point. Later depreciation, previous year 23 crores, this year 29 crores, 6 crores was increased. Other expenses, previous year 175 crores, this year 202 crores. Now we'll check profit before tax. Previous year 175 crores, this year 215 crores. That means approximately 40 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 23% profit before tax year on year increased. Later, here tax expense. Current tax, previous year they paid 63 crores, this year 42 crores. That means here 21 crores current tax was decreased. Later profit for the period, previous year 107 crores, this year 176 crores. That means approximately 69 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit after tax 64% year on year increased. See this one, profit before tax increased 23%, but profit after tax increased 64%. We need to check the reason. What is the reason means? Here current tax, it was decreased from 63 crores to 42 crores. Due to low current tax, here profit for the period was increased more. Later, here we have paid up equity share capital. Previous quarter and previous year, that is 17.54. This year 17.39. That means here equity was decreased. We need to find the reason. Here point 6. During the quarter, group had bought back its 7,35,000 equity shares, being 0.84% of the total paid up equity share capital at 1850 per equity share for an aggregate amount of 135.98 crores. What is this one? In December quarter, Ajanta Pharma buy back 7,35,000 equity shares at 1850 rupees and spent 135 crores 98 lakhs. Due to buyback, here equity was decreased. Due to decrease in paid up equity, here earning per share was increased. Here previous year earning per share is 12 rupees 33 pice. This year 20 rupees 41 pice. Here number of equity shares was decreased. Due to that one, earning per share was increased. What we observed based on these results is, here revenue from operations increases from 651 crores to 748 crores, that is 14%. Later, here employee benefit expenses increased from 120 crores to 136 crores. Here finance cost increased from 1 crores to 2 crores. Here interest was increased, but here they are paying only 2 crores. That means they have minimal debt. That is positive point. Profit before taxes, it was increased from 175 crores to 215 crores. Here due to low current tax, here profit after tax was increased more. That is 107 crores to 176 crores. This is positive point. Due to buyback, equity was reduced. Due to that one, earning per share was increased. Now we'll check quarter on quarter. Here in September quarter, they got 715 crores. In December quarter, 748 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 4.5 percentage quarter on quarter revenue was increased. Later, here profit before tax. Here previous quarter they got 249 crores, but this quarter 215 crores. That means here approximately 35 crores was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 13.5% quarter on quarter decreased. This is negative point. Later profit for the period. Here last quarter 170 crores, this quarter 176 crores. That means only 6 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 3.7 percentage quarter on quarter increased. What we understood based on this results is here Ajanta Pharma got good results year on year, but flat results based on quarter. Now we'll check valuation of Ajanta Pharma. P before results is 27.4. P after result is 24.3. Here P was reduced 3 points. This is positive point. Here positive points are good year on year results, minimal debt, undervalued based on previous year PE. Negatives are quarter on quarter results are flat. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.